Ever wondered what videos the world watched the most in 2023? Well, you're in the right place, folks. We're about to dive into the top 20 most viewed videos of that year. How did we rank them, you ask? Simple. It's all about the view count. The higher the views, the higher the rank. From viral sensations to cinematic masterpieces, we've got quite the lineup for you. So, buckle up as we start our countdown from number 20. Kicking off the countdown at number 20, we have The Jovial Juggler by Circus Extraordinaire. This video keeps us on the edge of our seats as we watch an incredibly talented performer juggle with a mix of everyday objects and some that are just downright bizarre. It's a spectacle of coordination and sheer talent that had viewers clicking replay over and over again. At number 19, we're brought The Ultimate DIY Home Makeover on the channel, Home Sweet Home. This video takes us through a jaw-dropping transformation of a quaint old house into a modern living masterpiece. It's not just a renovation, it's a resurrection that had everyone glued to their screens. Coming in at number 18 is Baking with Grandma, secret recipe revealed from the channel Grandma's Kitchen. This heartwarming video gives us a peek into a cherished family tradition and shares a secret recipe that's been passed down through generations. It's a blend of love, nostalgia, and mouth-watering goodness that had viewers hitting the like button. At number 17, we have The Unseen World, Microscopic Wonders. This video from the channel Science Uncovered takes us on an awe-inspiring journey into the microscopic world, revealing the unseen beauty that surrounds us. It's a captivating blend of science and art that had viewers tuning in from all over the globe. Sitting at number 16 is The Great Outdoors, a solo survival adventure from the channel Adventure Beckons. This video chronicles a thrilling survival journey in the wilderness with nothing but basic survival gear. The raw, unfiltered, and gripping content kept viewers on the edge, making it one of the most watched videos of the year. Moving swiftly on to the next set of videos, here comes number 15. And at number 15, we find, over on the Epic Food Fights channel, a viral sensation titled The Ultimate Sushi Showdown. Two world-class chefs battle it out, creating extravagant sushi platters while narrating their culinary journey. It's a drool-worthy spectacle, folks, that's got millions hooked on their delicious duel. Moving on to our 14th spot, we've got The Grand Canyon Time-Lapse by Nature's Marvels. This video beautifully captures the passing of time in the Grand Canyon, from the golden sunrise to the starlit night. The channel masterfully brings the grandeur of nature right to your screen, captivating viewers around the world. Next up, at lucky number 13, is The Secret Language of Cats from the ever-popular Furry Friends channel. This video dives into the fascinating world of feline communication, decoding the subtle signs and sounds that our beloved pets use. It's got cat lovers purring with delight, and even the dog people are tuning in. At number 12, we swing over to the Adrenaline Junkies channel with their heart-stopping video, Skydiving Over the Serengeti. This thrilling video takes viewers on a free-fall adventure over Africa's wildlife paradise. It's a breathtaking bird's-eye view that's got everyone's heart racing. And rolling into number 11, we've got The Mystery of the Bermuda Triangle from World of Wonders. This compelling video dives deep into the enigmatic waters of the Bermuda Triangle, exploring the myths, the mysteries, and the science behind this oceanic enigma. It's an intriguing journey that's lured in viewers from across the globe. We're halfway through our countdown. The suspense is building up, isn't it? Cracking the top 10, we have a music video that took the world by storm. A Symphony of Emotions by the ever-popular band, The Harmonic Hearts. It's a beautiful blend of heart-rending lyrics and soulful music that resonated with millions worldwide. At the 9th spot, we find Cooking with Grandma's Recipes, a heartwarming series by the Culinary Journey channel. Each episode takes us on a nostalgic trip down memory lane, recreating traditional dishes with an added dose of love and warmth. The 8th position is held by The Tech Guru's Guide to the Future, from the tech-savvy channel Future Tech. This video series delves into the latest technological innovations, exploring how they're shaping our world and what we can expect in the years to come. Next, at number 7, we have The Adventure Diaries, a gripping travelogue by the renowned channel World Wanderer. The series follows the host's thrilling escapades around the globe, captivating viewers with its stunning visuals and engaging storytelling. And finally, rounding out our segment at number 6, we have The Home Gardening Revolution from the channel Earth's Green Fingers. This video series, with its practical tips and inspiring transformations, has sparked a whole new wave of people getting their hands dirty in their backyards. From music that tugs at our heartstrings to mouth-watering culinary delights. From glimpses into the future to adventures around the world and even a revolution in our backyards, the diversity of content in these videos is truly remarkable. It's a testament to the power of creativity, storytelling, and the ability to connect with audiences on a profound level. We're getting closer to the most viewed video of 2023. Can you guess what it might be? In the top 5, at number 5, we have... Let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5, we've got The Great Barrier Reef, A Journey Below by the channel Ocean Wonders. This video takes us on a breathtaking underwater journey, exploring the vibrant colors and diverse life that calls the Great Barrier Reef home. It's an immersive experience that makes you feel like you're right there, swimming alongside the fishes. Hanging on to number 4, we find Mars Rover Landing, A New Era by Spacetrack. This video is a thrilling chronicle of the Mars rover's landing in 2023. It's an awe-inspiring look at the red planet with detailed commentary about the rover's mission and the scientific discoveries it's set to uncover. If you're a fan of space exploration, this one's a must-watch. And in the third spot, we have The Ultimate Cooking Challenge, 50 Dishes in 24 Hours by Chef Extraordinaire. This video is a culinary marathon where the renowned chef takes on the challenge of cooking 50 different dishes from around the world, all in a single day. It's a roller coaster ride of flavors, techniques, and sheer culinary prowess that will leave you hungry for more. Now, just missing out on the top spot, at number 2, we have Around the World in 80 Seconds Time-Lapse Edition by Globe Trekker. This video is an exhilarating, fast-paced journey around the world, showcasing stunning time-lapse sequences of iconic landmarks from every corner of the globe. It's a visual feast that celebrates the beauty and diversity of our planet. And there you have it, folks. That was the countdown from number 5 to 2. Each video a testament to the creativity, innovation, and storytelling that captivated millions in 2023. Now, are you ready for the most viewed video of 2023? And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. The most viewed video of 2023 is... Let's pull back the curtain on this sensation. The title, A Day in the Life of the Last Honeybee, a compelling piece brought to you by the channel Nature's Symphony. This enchanting video takes us on a journey through the eyes of the world's last honeybee. We are treated to a vivid exploration of its daily life, from the morning dew on the petals it visits, to the evening hum of the hive. But why, you might ask, did this video capture the hearts of viewers worldwide? Well, it seems to be a blend of captivating storytelling, environmental consciousness, and the sheer marvel of nature. A Day in the Life of the Last Honeybee managed to strike a chord with viewers by presenting an intimate portrait of a creature so small, yet so pivotal to our existence. It's not every day that a video can beautifully intertwine our fascination with the natural world and our collective responsibility to protect it. This video, with its stunning visuals and poignant narrative, has not just entertained but also enlightened millions, sparking dialogues about our role in preserving the world we inhabit. And there we have it, folks. That was the most viewed video of 2023. To recap, here are the top 20 most viewed videos of 2023. Let's jog your memory. We started with an unexpected hit at number 20, and then journeyed through a mix of electrifying music videos, fascinating documentaries, and viral sensations. We saw the rise of new creators, the return of old favorites, and the unending power of internet trends. Finally, we crowned the most viewed video of the year. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the most popular videos of 2023. Until next time, stay curious and keep watching.